Hi, I'm Richard from PJCO. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create customer statements. What you want to do is navigate to your customer, which is a subcategory in sales, which you'll see here, customers. So click into this. Then it will come up with a list of all your customers, as you can see here. And what you want to do is navigate to this action drop-down arrow and select the customer you want and select create statement. This should then bring up this where you can fill in their email address and make sure it's the right person. If you want to preview the statement, simply click into here and it'll bring up a preview for you to look at. So you can check if all the details are right. Then you can simply save and send it or save and close.